Hey guys, it's Nina here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm super duper excited. I know I'm always super excited whenever I do a new video, but I'm really excited because I'm gonna be doing this look. And yes, you guessed it right. It's the Sara Tala look. All Filipinos know about this dance. No, I cannot imagine any Filipino not knowing this dance. It's just a phenomenon right now. It's like Gangnam Style. I think it's gonna go to that level soon. I actually tried to do some dance moves with this song. I tried to learn the dance steps. But now for today, we're gonna be just doing this makeup look. No dancing today. So if you want to know how to create this look, keep watching. So to start with this look, I'm gonna do the eyes first. I haven't done anything to my face yet. I've just put on my moisturizer, that's it. So for the eyes, it's really important to prime. Especially if you're doing smoky eyes, priming is really essential. So what I'm gonna do first actually is gonna put a little bit of concealer. I'm using Tarte. So for the primer, for the eye primer, I'm using the Too Faced 24-Hour Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. All over my lid. Okay, so I've done this part. I haven't put the lashes on yet and my eyebrows are still not done. I'm gonna do this side and show you guys how I did this. What I'm gonna do first is go with a transition color. So for the smoky eyes, I'm using this palette. This is by Urban Decay, Born to Run palette. So everything will be on this palette. For my base shade first, I'm going with Weekender and just putting it on my crease here. For a smoky eye, it's really important to blend. That's the secret of a smoky eye. And you want to start with a transition color first before putting in the blacks in there. Now for the transition color, I'm using Riff. So again, I'm putting that on my crease. And just with a windshield wiper motion, again, I'm just blending, blend, back and forth. Okay, I'm even bringing some of it near my eyebrows. Okay, so that's the transition color. You even want some under your eyes here. So before we go to the blacks, we're gonna use this dark brown first. This is Good as One. I'm gonna take that, tap the excess. I'm gonna put that on my lid, but on the upper part going down. So from the crease, I'm putting it from the crease there and then pulling it down like that. So don't worry about it not being perfect first, and then we're gonna blend that later on. So we're gonna leave this part for the black eyeshadow. So now I'm just gonna go back again with Riff and blend that crease. So blend. That's the key here. For the rest of the lid, usually I have my black base, like cream base, but I don't have it right now. So I'm gonna use my brow gel, a dark base on my lid so that the black will show more, will pop more. This is my brow gel in brunette. This is by Immaculate Beauty. It's dark brown, not black, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna work with this. So I'm just putting that on the lid. And then I'm gonna take my flat brush. This is the 230 brush. I'm using Jet, the black one on the palette. Tap the excess because there's gonna be a lot of fallout. And then I'm just gonna put that on the lid. So I'm concentrating it here on the lower lid and then blending it up. And then again with the 221 brush and Riff, blend. So now with that dark brown shadow that we used a while ago, the Good as One, I'm using 210 brush. It's like a pencil brush. And I'm gonna put this under my eyes here. And then with a thinner brush, I'm gonna get the black one again, put that under the eyes. So that way you create like a gradient. And to make that really, really black, we have to use an eye pencil. So I'm gonna use this black eyeliner and put it on my waterline. Any white here. Then I'm just gonna pull up and put some on there too. Okay, and then I'm using this one by Tartist. It's their black liquid eyeliner. Okay, so I've put in the eyeliner, and then I'm just gonna get a small brush and get stranded, then put it on the inner corner of my eyes, just very little. So I've seen a highlight on the inner corner of her eyes, so I'm gonna put a little bit of, not too much. So I'm just gonna put a little bit as well. I'm just gonna put the eyelashes, and then we're gonna finish the rest of the face. But I'm gonna clean this up a bit, and then we're just gonna touch that up later because we're gonna put concealer there too. Clean, 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 clean. So I'm gonna put my primer. So for my primer, I'm using this Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. Put that all over. Actually, I forgot to put some on my brow bone. Just very quickly break away on my brow bone, on the brow bone, there. And then before I put on the foundation, I wanna do a pre-highlight first. So I'm using this one by Marc Jacobs, Do You Dewdrops Coconut Gel Highlighter. So I just wanna do a little bit. Just put that on the high points of my face. Actually, that's, yeah, very highlighted. And then now I'm gonna put the foundation. So for the foundation, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Foundation. This one is in, because she's a little bit bronze there, so I'm gonna make myself a little bit bronzier. I'm usually 250, 230, 235, but for this look, I'm using the 300. I'll do this side first so we can see. So foundation's in. I'm gonna do the eyebrows first. So Sara looked like she has a thick, dark eyebrows here. Well, not very thick, dark eyebrows. Okay, we're gonna have dark eyebrows. And then on the other side, there you go. Okay, so let's continue with the face. Done with the foundation. Just a little bit of highlighting. I'm using this one by Tarte. You know what I don't like about this one? Their container is that the product actually goes out. So this container is not really good. But I love Tarte Shape Tape. Just gonna put that here, 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 here. Look like an Amazonian again. I'm using this cool concealer brush by Shiseido. And I'm just gonna blend this out. But it does take time to blend out, actually, using this brush. I think I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Blender to blend this more. Yep, let's go in with the Beauty Blender too. We're highlighted. We're gonna contour. So I'm using this one, Wonder Stick by NYX. She has a very high cheekbones in that video. So I'm just gonna make this a little bit higher than usual. Contour around here. Yep, I look crazy again. I'm using the Bake and Blend brush by Huda Beauty to blend this. So everything I'm putting right now are cream based or liquid based. We'll do the powder later, the powdering later. So let's just set everything with powder. I'm using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and it's in Banana. So for my contour, I'm using this palette by Summer Kusami. I think it's in medium. What I got is in medium because it doesn't say. So I'm using this bronzer here, making the contour really prominent. She has a really contoured nose too. I'm exaggerating it a bit because it looks exaggerated. Yes, very, very much so. The nose is contoured, done. Highlighting. Very, very critical to this look because she has a real, you can really see her highlight there. So I'm using this one first, the Tahiti first, just here near the contoured area, just really highlighting that up. And then I'm going with Seychelles. There, wow. And then there's some highlight on her nose. So not on the full nose, just here. And on the tip of her nose too. Yep, we've put highlight here. And then we'll put the blush. So this one is by MAC. This is Worldly Wealth, one of my favorites when I'm doing a bronzy look, because this is a perfect blush for that. And then for the lips, she has nude lips. I'll line my lips first. So the lip liner I'm using is by Makeup Forever. This one is in, what color is this? Number 12. And then for the lipstick, I'm using Sunny's Face Nudist. I am gonna put a little bit of gloss. So this one is by Hourglass. This one is in Unreal Provoke. My friend Mao introduced me to this lip gloss and now I love it. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy that. And if you're dancing to the Tala beat, it's nice if you're made up, right? So you'll feel more like Sara G. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching again, and let me know if you have any comments or suggestions. Leave them down below. Any makeup tutorials that you want me to do, leave them down below and I'll try to do them. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now. Keep smiling.